Okay, everyone, we are wrapping up chapter 11 for science today, and I have sent you a few video links to watch to review some of what we have been discussing this chapter. So it's just going back and reviewing some of the different parts of the respiratory system that we've already talked about to hopefully solidify your understanding and help take your understanding just a little bit further, okay? So that's the first thing I want you to do today to review. The second thing I want you to do is write a review paragraph based on this chapter. And I have given you the first part, so this is how I want you to start. There are many, I need to correct this, parts. There are many parts of the respiratory system. That's your main idea sentence, right? Here's your 3 point. 3 important parts are blank, blank, and blank. So there's more than 3, but I want you to pick 3 parts of the respiratory system that you can explain and talk about a little bit more, okay? Remember, when you write a paragraph, you cannot write first comma lungs. That's not a sentence. So you need to say the first important part is the blank, okay? Or you can say first, the lungs are important, okay? Either way is okay, but you cannot say first, comma, lungs. That's not a complete sentence. Then you need to tell me about that part in a separate sentence. So the first important part is the blank, and then explain it to me. What does it do? It does this. And look in your book. Give me a really good explanation based on your book. And you can use the glossary, you can use the black words and the definitions for those, but explain what it does in a complete sentence. So then you're going to give me 3. The second important part is blank, and then tell me it, blah, 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 blah. The third important part is the blank, and then tell me what it does. Blank does blah, 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 blah. Now, here's your conclusion. God has created the respiratory system for me to breathe. Semicolon, remember, this is one way to combine our sentences. I will blank to keep it healthy. You do not have to have one word there, but I want you to give me something that you are going to do to help keep your respiratory system specifically healthy, okay? So God has created, this is your conclusion. God has created the respiratory system for me to breathe, semicolon, I will blank to keep it healthy. So what are the things that we can do to keep it healthy? That comes from your study. That comes from what we've learned. And then I want you to tell me in your paragraph. So please send your paragraph to me through email. You can send a picture of it. You can type it out on the email and send it to me that way. You can, but have some way to send it to me. Okay? All right, have fun reviewing.